back to our Planet Plant-based summer kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make one of my favorite summer side dishes. It's a green pea dip with fresh mint. Apart from those two things, we're also going to add a generous dollop of our sunflower seed butter, a good squeeze of lemon, some sea salt, and that's it. Blend it all together and done. Super simple and so tasty. Here we go. So this green pea dip is done. I'm gonna taste it. Perfect. This is of course where you can adjust the flavoring, perhaps add a little bit more lemon or more salt, maybe even a bit of black pepper. But it's perfect as it is for me, and we are gonna serve it with some crackers and some croutons. This recipe is available on our website. Enjoy!